Howdy everyone, this is Grandpine with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So we're at the Alexan at the Galleria, and this on the second floor is a co-working area. So there's kind of a booth over here, and then there are some chairs that you can sit at. This overlooks the pool and the first floor. Over here, there's also a conference center. So there's a conference room you can walk in. It lights up when you walk in. So you've got some really nice spaces here to work. It's really quiet. You can see this also overlooks the first floor. We were just down there. So overlooks it. This is really, really nice. So you've got kind of a good, nice area that you can come and relax, but also work during the day. There's plenty of plugs here as well. It would be super easy because, I see one person working and that's it. So you got some space. You can kind of be with other people during the day and work. So love seeing this co-working area. Hey, let's move on to a couple of apartments now. Let's go see those right now. If you have any questions, as usual, just text me. Use the number below.